I'm going to show you how to make our endless summer punch with American Shaman's sparkling coconut water. We're going to start off with 2 ounces of lemonade. Next, we're going to add an ounce of orange juice. Then we're going to add 1 ounce pineapple rum. We'll follow that up with 1 ounce of aged rum. Then we're going to add 1 ounce of coconut rum. And finally, we're going to finish this off with 2 ounces of our sparkling coconut water. Once you get all ingredients in your shaker cup, add ice. Next, we're going to shake up our drink. Once your tin gets frosted, you're ready to start pouring your drink into your glass. Now you're ready to garnish your drink. You take 1 slice of grapefruit, get 1 slice of pineapple as well. And now you're ready to begin enjoying your summer with a refreshing endless summer punch